Okay, this is going to be a demonstration of my finance file. So first we're going to run Flask, and then we're going to open it up. Oh, I just opened it from before. And then we're going to first register. Well, actually first, we can see that our table in PHP has nothing, so then we have to make it. And then we'll call our username test, password test, and confirmation password test. So we'll log in, test, and then we see our total cash that we have is 10,000. That's our default. So we're going to quote, and we're going to go look at Apple. So APL is the symbol for Apple, and it tells us how much it costs, 263 and 19 cents for one share of Apple. Okay, and then we can return to our index over here. Then we're going to go to buy. So our symbol, we're going to put in Apple, and we're going to buy 5 shares. Quick buy, and it should bring us back to our index page that tells us we purchased Apple, the name of it, bought 5 shares, what was the price for each one, and the total. And then we see that our cash went down because we spent this amount of money for our Apple. And then we're going to sell some, and our grand total that we have in stocks and cash is 10,000. We're going to sell. And then right now we only have Apple, but we're going to sell 3. So we sell, and then it says that we only have 2 more left. And then our cash went up because we sold it, and not much has changed yet. And then we can check our history, and it says we bought 5 of them, and tells us the time. And then this tells us we sold it at similar price because we bought it at the same time, like basically the same time. And then the additional feature that I have is to change password. So you click on change password, and then you can enter any password that you want. So our password used to be test, but now we'll make it cat. Cat, change password, and then we can log out. And then when we try test, and then we try test again, then we get an apology as we see over here, and it's an invalid username or password because we just changed it. But then when we change test and then we try cat and log in, it works. And then back in our PHP table, we can see that we have our test, we have our hash, we have the amount of money that we have because we also own stocks, and these are our transactions, and that is finance.